Welcome back to my channel. It's Dhruvi and thank you so much for watching this video. After so many takes, I'm finally sitting down to make a ghost story video. I don't know why I'm doing this because I'm literally alone at my home and honestly मेरी बहुत फटती है. Like I'm the fattuest person you will ever meet. मेरी बहुत फटती है यार. मतलब मैं तो बिलीव करती हूँ भूत वगैरह में. So I don't know about you guys, but I just want to talk about one or two incidents that happened with me and my friend. Yeah, let's get into it. Maybe you all might already know I'm living in Canada currently and मुझे बचपन से हनुमान चालीसा मैंने रटी हुई है because I'm that फट्टू कि हाँ भाई मेरे को ना जब भी डर लगता है मैं I just start chanting हनुमान चालीसा. You know what? I just believe कि अगर भगवान है तो opposite भी है. So if there are good people, there are bad people. If you believe in God, if you believe in, like some that high energy, then of course there are energies whose, bhoot pishach chudal. Okay, so the first story is something that happened to me. I'm not sure if it was a ghost. So what happened, like I was staying at my friend's house and he has already told me that, sometimes like they have experienced this at their house. So like someone just knocking at their door and something like that, and so when they open there is no one in the corridor and things like that. So I was already like, I knew all this and I was aware about all this stuff, and they were like pretty chill about it, that yeah, this happens. That day I was alone in the room and it was like 5 in the morning, okay, and I had early work, so I was just leaving their house and like literally there was no one, okay, like everyone is sleeping in the house, and like I could feel like literally someone knocked the door, and it was a proper knock, not like, there is some sound is coming and then you feel that it could have been a knock. No, it was a proper knock, like, with three pauses. It was like this for continuous like three times, and I was not like sleeping and all, like I was literally ready and I was like checking my bus timing, that like when is my bus, and meri fat gayi. And honestly I could feel that it was on my door, like the door that I'm in the room, and I just called my friend and I was like, where the are you? And he was like, yeah, I'm coming, whatever. And he thought that it could be some homeless, but it was not the main door, right? Like, homeless could have not entered the house, and like everyone was asleep. And he was like, just lock the door from inside so no one just come. And he said that, you know what, I'm just coming. And I was like, you know what? I am not going near the door, no matter what. Like, even though then he came and he checked and there was no one in the house, I am not sure. But you know what my theory is, that like यहाँ पे ना हर घर वो लकड़ी के बने हुए होते हैं. Everything is, made out of wood. So you can literally hear like the person in the next room, you can hear their literally whole conversations and all very clearly. So it could be anything, like, someone who lives above us or just next to us, whatever, in their house maybe someone is knocking, but it felt like our door. But honestly I was pretty awake and I'm pretty sure I was not like daydreaming or something like that, because I could feel it and I could sense it, and it was terrible. This is the only incident that I have as of now. The next story is one of my best friends. She just moved in with me. She's like my school childhood best friend. So what happened? So she was living in some another city, and like she just moved in that new house and all, and she was getting that negative, when you enter a new space, you can just feel that negative energy. So she was feeling it, and she was like, as soon as I just entered, she could feel that negative energy. It was like it was so bad. That day, she just, like moved all the stuffs and all. That night, she was sleeping and like everything was closed and all in her room, doors and windows and everything. And suddenly, like there was some bottle cracking voice started coming. Even though she was in sleep, she could feel that thing, like plastic bottle, you could feel that cracking voice, and it was like, where is it coming from, like there is literally no one. She was like sleeping, and if she felt that someone is pulling her, she was like covering herself with a blanket and all, and she could feel like literally someone is like, pulling her hand like that, and she could not even scream, and it was so scary. She was like, I started crying, and like, I just found my phone and I called my family like back home, and she just left that I will not stay the night here in this room. It was so terrifying for her, and then yeah, she just left. And it was like a pretty scary experience for her when she like explained it to us. And I was like, what, why are you even living with a stranger in such a strange place? Like, if you have like, I'm not saying that it's not true, or it's maybe she was just sleep deprived and all. Maybe it could be the reason because she are in like in news space, and she was not getting a proper sleep. I mean, there are so many scientific reason as well, but then you also feel that maybe it could be true. You never know. Like साइंस में भी बिलीव करती हूँ मैं, बट मैं इसमें बिलीव करती हूँ, दोनों इक्वली. तो वो हुआ, and I was like, what, stop like staying there. Just she spent like whatever 2-3 nights there, and she was like, I'm so done with this place. And then I just told her to move in with me. So yeah, that's pretty much two incidents pretty much that I know of. I don't know, I mean, we do have explanation for this, but still it's pretty scary. Yeah, so let me know what you think about it. Also, do you have any explanation for all this? Please let me know, that would be also great. And if you have any ghost stories, comment it down below. I'll make a series of all the ghost stories and experiences that, yeah, everyone has experienced, and it will be a great fun story time. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like it. Comment it down below if you like it or not. If you want me to continue this, I'll love to do it. I am being consistent on YouTube, by the way. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Watch out for my new videos because I will be uploading at least every week. Promise. I swear. Yeah, I'll do it. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.